Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some stuffed peppers. So keep watching. Today I'm going to prepare a stuffed bell pepper, cabbage. These are the ingredients I will be using. I have garlic and ginger paste, thyme, 1 pound of lean turkey meat, bell peppers, cream cheese, parsley, basil from my garden, tomato, ketchup, 1 egg, paprika and powder, and Italian seasoning. So let me get started. About a cup and a half of cabbage that I'm going to use mixed with the ground turkey. I'm going to saute this before I mix it with the ground. Saute in the cabbage here. I want it to be completely done before I mix it with the turkey meat. I've added a little garlic and also some salt to the cabbage here. I'll let that cook for about 10 minutes so it's nice and soft. I'm going to mix in the ground turkey meat. I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of thyme. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. I have to show you how I make this on a video. I just added some olive oil to the sauce here. It's very easy to make. Okay. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ketchup. I'm gonna add the 1 egg. Just the 1 egg there. 4 ounces of cream cheese, 3 top stalks of basil, and I also have some parsley that I'm gonna chop up and add to this stuffed pepper. I added the fried cabbage in here, the sauteed cabbage that I did. All of that's in here. And the only thing I have to add at this time is some black pepper. So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of black pepper. Added 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'll just mix it all up. Let me clean up my works. I'm just gonna add a half a teaspoon of mustard. This stuffed cabbage, turkey, bell pepper recipe, it has a lot of vegetables. So this can become a whole meal. So let me go ahead and stuff the peppers. I washed them, I cut them up and cleaned the inside. And now I'm getting ready to stuff them. I'll place this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna let it cook for 1 hour. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. This is delicious. It's got a lot of juice in it, and the stuffing is just really amazing. So you have to try this recipe. It's really good. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.